Wally the Whale's Big Wish. Far, far away in the deep blue sea, there lived a little whale named Wally. Wally was big and round, but he had one little wish. Wally wants to fly in the sky. Wally told about his wish to other fishes. All the fishes laughed. The crab said, "Whales can't fly." The turtle said, "You're made for the sea." But Wally looked up at the sky every day. He watched the birds fly over the waves. He dreamed of touching the clouds. One morning, Wally got up with an idea. Wally said, "I will jump. I will jump really high." So Wally swam fast. Then, whoosh, he jumped out of the water. He flew high into the air. He saw the sun, the sky, and even a rainbow. Wally smiled with joy. Then a splash. He fell back into the sea. The water laughed and danced around him. Starfish said, "You flew, Wally." Dolphins said, "Even if it was just for a moment." Wally was happy and said, "I didn't need wings after all." From that day on, Wally jumped and see the sky every morning. He touched the sky in his own way. And the sea cheered for the whale who believed in himself.